Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky field where a John Deere 8RX 370 tractor is planting soybeans with a 47-row, 15-inch spaced John Deere DB60 planter. During this video, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and list price, as well as taking you on a ride with the operator and the cab of the tractor so you can see what it's like to be behind the wheel of an 8RX track tractor. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big equipment at work. The 8RX 370 track tractor was introduced by John Deere in late October 2019 and went into full production in 2020 at the company's tractor factory located in Waterloo, Iowa. This big tractor is powered by a 9-liter, 6-cylinder John Deere 549 cubic inch engine rated at 370 engine horsepower. It has a maximum horsepower rating of 407 when the tractor encounters tough field conditions and has a 310 PTO horsepower rating. Customers ordering this tractor can choose from 2 different transmissions, a John Deere E23 power shift transmission with 23 forward and 11 reverse speeds, or an IVT or infinite variable transmission is available with speeds up to 26 miles per hour. The tractor is fitted with a 245-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 9.8-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. The tractor has a base weight of 43,000 pounds and, according to JohnDeere.com, has a list price of $547,081 for model year 2021. I'm up in the cab of a John Deere 8RX 370, and this cab is very nice. The tractor's got a nice smooth ride. It's running just about 5.5 miles per hour with the DB60 47-row 15-inch planter back there, no tilling. This tractor has really tight turning. It's a great planter tractor. It's really impressive to watch. We're here in a little section of the field and planting the corners.
Ready in Keep in.
So Robbie, the last time I rode with you during planting, you were running that 8400R that's over there on the other side of the field. How do you like this 8RX in comparison?
A lot better. First of all, this one has an IVT transmission, so it's pretty much like a hydrostat handle on anybody that doesn't know about them, like on your John Deere lawnmower, your riding lawnmower. And that one's more of a geared tractor. So it's a lot easier to handle, slowing down and speeding up like we are in these smaller fields of going over ditches and stuff. It doesn't affect the RPM of the tractor as much, and it's a lot smoother. And of course this one has the tracks, and it is definitely a lot smoother in the field. On the road, I'm not going to say that that one's not a little easier to drive or smoother ride, but definitely out in the field this has a lot more traction. It is a lot better ride.
You were saying that you had a few spots you've been through that you might not have otherwise gotten through.
Yeah, and typically you would have thought, or will, with our other track machines, if we get in a muddy area, typically the tracks will just mud over and they'll just slide, and you're really not doing anything. You don't have any traction. But for some reason, this machine just ate the mud right out of the hole down to some solid stuff and just kept on going. And typically we're pulling a planter this heavy. The planter is what will hang you, not the tractor, even with a rubber tire tractor. But the mud will just start balling up right in front of the transport tires of the tractor. It didn't really happen with this. I was able to set the planter down and raise it back up, and set it down and raise it back up, and try to keep that mud just peeling back underneath the tires. And this thing just went. It just went.
Well, it's definitely tight turning here in this little corner of the field. So
yeah, we're nice. We're in a part of the county that we don't have a lot of ground in, but do have some acres down here, so it's a little bit different than a wide open field, of course.
No 1,000-acre sections here.
No, not in this area.
Well, it's definitely a nice tractor. It's extremely smooth. You can just see it just glides right over any of those ruts or washouts. And
I had a kid in here the other day. He's about 12 years old. He said it was reminded him of his first time riding an airplane.
John Deere did a nice job on this one for sure.
Flying is just right.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time in this Western Kentucky field with the John Deere 8RX 370 tractor and 47-row 15-inch space John Deere DB60 planter seeding soybeans. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video what you think of the 8RX tractors, or if you're farming with the John Deere track tractor. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. And if you would like to see additional John Deere content from Big Tractor Power YouTube, continue to watch this video for a few more seconds of the end screen to link directly to additional John Deere tractor videos. As always, thank you for watching.